Assalam Alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Maida, how are you?
I'm good.
MashaAllah, you're late today.
Yeah, I just lost track of time.
Mm-hmm. Okay, should we continue?
Sure.
Okay, let's start.
Should
You
I
can
start
read
from what's in
from what? What?
Should I start from where Should I start from in the box?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Lam fatha waw sukun l- law
Yes, good.
lam fatha ya sukun lai law lai
Yes, well done. Next two.
um, ba
No. Look at the dot. Where is the dot?
thou
No, Mahira, Maida, no. Dal, this letter you cannot attach it with other letters. Dal. This is not dal. Ba also has a
ya
dot, but that is at the bottom. Fa has a round head like this, and this one is this. Only one letter which has a dot on top.
nun
Yes, this is known.
Nun fatha waw sukun now
Mm,
nun fatha ya sukun nai
mm.
now nai
Well done, Maida. Good.
alif fatha waw sukun a a
Not a. You're not reading wow. You're only reading alif. Read alif with wow. Then with wow. Ow.
ow
Yes.
ow
Mm-hmm. Yes, continue.
alif fatha ya sukun I
Mm.
I
Yes, good. Read the first one again with wow.
from the very beginning.
No, no, no. Only this one. Alif with wow. Where is this cursor? Yes, this one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alif fatha waw sukun ow
Mm. Yes, good. Okay, now read the next line.
ba fatha no ba fatha waw sukun bow
Yes, good, Maita. Good, well done.
ba fatha ya sukun by
Excellent.
bow by
Mm. Well done.
um
Yes.
ka
No.
no team
Dada. Yes. Why it is Jim?
because it has a dot in the middle.
Yes, that's why. If this dot was on top, then
It would be ka.
yes, right. Good, well done.
Jim fatha waw sukun Jow
Mm.
Jim fatha ya sukun Jai Jow Jai
Mm.
Ha fatha waw sukun How
Yes.
Ha fatha ya sukun Hai
Mm.
how, I, ka, fatha, waw, sukun, cow,
Yes.
ka, fatha, ya, sukun, kai,
Mm.
cow, kai,
Yes, well done.
ayin,
Mm.
ayin, fatha, waw, sukun, ow,
Yes.
ayin, fatha, ya, sukun, I, awai,
Excellent, Maida. Well done. Doing good, mashallah.
goin, fatha, waw, sukun, gaw, goin, fatha, ya, sukun, gai, graw, gai, fa, fatha, waw, sukun, thou,
Mm.
fa, fatha, ya, sukun, thai, thou, thigh.
Mm.
Um,
Yes.
which one has two dots?
Which one has two dots? Let me write it here, then you will remember. What is this one?
Cough,
Yes, exactly.
kaf, fatha, waw, sukun, cow,
Hmm.
kaf, fatha, ya, sukun, kai,
Yes.
cow, kai,
Excellent. Good, Maida.
ya,
Good. Mm-hmm.
kaf, kaf,
Yes, yes.
fatha, kaf, fatha, waw, sukun, cow,
Yes, softly.
kaf, fatha, ya, sukun, kai, cow,
Mm.
kai.
Yes, well done, Maida. Okay, let's start the next page. Doing good, mashallah, Maida. You're doing really fast today.
Okay.
Okay. Well done, well done. Yes.
Mim, fatha, waw, sukun, mm, mau,
Yes.
mim, fatha, ya, sukun, mai,
Mm.
mau, mai,
Excellent.
waw, fatha, waw, sukun, wow, waw, waw, fatha, ya, sukun, why, wow, why,
Yes.
ha, fatha, waw, sukun, how,
Mm.
ha, fatha, ya, sukun, hai, how, hai,
Mm.
ya, fatha, waw, sukun, i, ya, yaw,
Mm.
ya,
Yes.
yaw, ya,
Na 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 na. Again, read the second one again.
ya, fatha, ya, sukun, ya,
Not ya. This would be
yai,
yay. Yes, you got it. Both.
yaw, yai,
Just read this once again. This is a bit different from others. Yes.
ya, fatha, waw, sukun, yaw,
Mm.
ya, fatha, ya, sukun, yai, yaw, yai,
Yes, my dear, well done. You have finished the lesson.